Cole, another exploration, huh? Okay, so that's the pool area. Wow, right in front of those islands, huh? Okay, I think Cole wants to go for a swim. Hey Cole, are we eating or are you swimming? Huh? What do you want to do? Oh, there's a restaurant here. Okay, so this is a restaurant. Okay. Uh-huh. And the pool area. Okay, the launch beds are in the almost in the pool, That's the view you get while swimming here in Conrad. And the special for today, meat orama 650.